Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can add gallery blocks or gallery segments on your site on Squarespace. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I am on one of my sites, and I'm going to be showing you guys exactly what you can do. Now, when it comes to integrated functionalities of Squarespace, you're only limited to one, which I'll show you right now. So if I go to edit my page and go ahead and add a section, what I can do is I can add an image section, which is basically what gallery blocks are. You no longer have specific blocks, you can only add sections. And as you can see, you only have a couple of templates you can work with, but it should be useful enough for you. So let's go ahead and add, for example, this one. Here you can add all of your pictures, and now you have your section added to your site. However, there is another thing that I would like to show you, and I'm going to add a blank section to this since I'm going to add a block to this. And what I'm going to add is the embed block. And I'm going to be showing you guys what you can do with ElfSite or with an ElfSite sort of plugin, and it's called the image slider plugin. You can create it for free. You can view the widget if you've already created it, as I can currently. And as you can see, you can create templates very easily using this, but I'll just go ahead and view my own widget and copy the code from here. But it's very easy to use, and I would recommend you guys check it out. ElfSite does have a lot of useful plugins on its site. But yeah, once you copy that over, let me just go back into my site, paste this in the embed data, preview this in safe mode. Let me just make it a bit larger so that you can see it better. Click save, then go back to exit to preview the changes. And as you can see, we have the slider right over here. And those are some of the options that you have for galleries. I really haven't found a better one yet, nor have I found other ones as of now. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.